Hi, I'm Donna with Donna's Products, and I bought this gel coloring to go in my royal icing today. I'm going to make some cookies, and I'm going to decorate those cookies. So I'm going to use this to color the royal icing. And they are such fun colors. I just love this company. This particular box is a box of 6 colors. It has yellow, red, a sky blue, a black, and a green. And one more, a pink. And I can't wait to get started on my cookies and see the end result. I know that you'll love them. It's very easy to use, so let's get started. I'm going to mix up some colors. I've just made my pumpkin cookies, pumpkin patch cookies. I've used Ann Clark's cookie cutters, and they are just adorable. The gourd, the pumpkin, the wheelbarrow, and the little truck. They are just precious. And the thing I love about this is she sent a recipe book. So if you're starting out, this is wonderful. It's very simple recipes. She's got your cookie, sugar cookie recipe, gingerbread, buttercream icing, royal icing. I'm actually using my grandmother's mixer from the 70s. I think I have one attachment left to it. But it brings back so many memories of my grandmother feeding the masses, and I know she has baked thousands of cakes and pies, and everybody just loved them. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to mix a yellow and a red, and we're going to make orange. And a little bit goes a long way, so these will last a long time. I always put mine on a toothpick and stir it around. Just add a little bit more, because we're going to come up with an orange icing to go on our pumpkins. And then we'll do a blue icing to go on our truck. And we'll probably do brown to go on our wheelbarrow. But it's really simple and fun. The thing about it is, when you're baking cookies, especially with your children or your grandchildren, these are some of my fondest memories, is being with my grandmother and my mother. So give these colors a try and make memories with your children and grandchildren. I'm Donna with Donna's Products.